The first to receive her certificate is the Senior Superintendent of Police, Mugabe Rashida, from Uganda Police Force. Superintendent of Police, Diane Ntakirutimana, from Rwanda National Police. Senior Superintendent Olive Nzayisenga, from Rwanda Correctional Service. Superintendent of Police Stephen Nkurunziza, from Rwanda National Police. Senior Superintendent of Police Dr. Justin Mucyo, from Rwanda National Police. Superintendent of Police Aimable Musoni, from Rwanda National Police. Senior Superintendent of Police Felicien Habimana, from Rwanda National Police. Senior Superintendent of Police Daniel Uwimana, from Rwanda National Police. Assistant Commissioner of Police Rotaro Richard Ibosa, from Uganda Police Force. Superintendent of Police Fatene Mawenimana, from Rwanda National Police. Superintendent Shupe Gumbi Tembo, from Malawi Police Service. Superintendent Chisomo Lucius Ziwao, from Malawi Police Service. Superintendent of Police Akiba Wigaju, from Rwanda National Police. Chief Superintendent of Police Omar Jari Esba, from the Gambia Police Force. Mr. Janvier Yanga Kadabwa, from Rwanda Investigation Bureau. Lieutenant Colonel Brice Cobert Modekanga, from la Gendarmerie Nationale Centrafricaine. Major Siri Michael Nzangu, from South Sudan National Police Service. Superintendent of Police Daniel Gasirimu, from Rwanda National Police. He's from Rwanda Investigation Bureau. Senior Superintendent of Police Charles Kipruto Koileji, from Kenya Police Service. Deputy Commissioner Roselyn Shemene Waindua, from the Namibian Police Force. Superintendent of Police Leonard Ndahiro, from Rwanda National Police. Chief Superintendent of Police Sulaiman Jawara, from the Gambia Police Force. Senior Superintendent Emmanuel Ishimwe, from Rwanda Correctional Service. Superintendent of Police Isayi Dusingize Turiho, from Rwanda National Police.
His leadership flashing potential and commendable spirit of teamwork reflects the highest standard of professional excellence. Please move forward for your award. Thank you, Chief Guest, for presenting the awards. You may resume your seat.
Gasirimu Daniel, Gatera Placide, Gerard Iakune Kakao, Habimana Felicien, Habiyaremye Emmanuel, Isaac Gori Makatu, Ishimwe Emmanuel, Mudaheranwa Alex, Mugawe Rashida, Muhawenimana Fratern, Musoni Emar, Ndahiro Leonard, Niyongira Florent, Nkurunziza Stephen, Kachutimana Diane, Nzayisenga Olive, Omar Jari Bam, Chupe Tembo Gumbi, Siri Michael Zambu, Suleiman Jawar, Yahiye Abdouar Omar, Vice Chancellor, African Leadership University, the award of the postgraduate diploma in strategic leadership and management.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the African Leadership University, I, Professor Ntantatwala, am honored to confer upon you the postgraduate diploma in strategic leadership. With this award comes the rights and privileges, responsibilities and obligations associated with this qualification. Congratulations.
Chisomo Lucas Ziwao. Tusingize turiho Isaac. Gakwandi Jean-Luc. Gasirimu Daniel. Gatera Placide. Jean Bosco. Mucho Justin. Mudaheranwa Alex. Muson Emar. Ndahiro Lona. Niyongira Florence. Nkurunziza Stephen. Robert Kipkochi. Rwagisha Vianney. Chupe Tembo Gumbi.